We have certainly an internal timeline to comply with it, and that will be within few months. But it will certainly depend on the regulator when to give the approval.
So do you think the gap between what perhaps the USFDA expects as a regulator and the kind of compliance that is followed by Indian companies is shortening?
I don't know whether there is a gap. The US regulators' requirement goes on changing on an ongoing basis. The very fact that Indian companies have penetrated the US market so significantly shows by and large this is being met. And if you look at the warning letters USFDA has given in 2006 and what it is giving now, that has increased 10 times worldwide. And India's shares is relatively the same.
So we had a senior government official today who spoke about the fact that it takes almost as much as 10,000 crore rupees to develop a new drug, and that perhaps India is lagging behind in this aspect. You're an industry veteran. Where do you think the loopholes need to be plugged?
The government must help the industry for drug discovery because the way it has helped IT industries in 90s, and we have seen the result. And I honestly believe that pharma industry in drug discovery has a capacity, and what it needs is some kind of government grant. Maybe whatever drug discovery spend is there, 50% of that come as a grant, and I'm sure we will be able to discover a new drug at 1/10 of the cost what is being mentioned.
How you wish the regulatory environment could be a little more facilitating as far as Indian pharma companies are concerned?
I think we have one basic issues with the regulatory environment is about the clinical trials related issues. The whole approach of clinical trial has undergone change last few years, and that has significantly hampered clinical trial both by Indian companies and the global companies. And this is a very negative, defensive mindset.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/etnow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at etnowlive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/etnow.